So, relax, enjoy, and don't worry. Today's schedule contains emotion, performances, and absolutely no examination.
To begin this program on a positive and respectful note, I now proceed with the lamp lighting ceremony. The lamp symbolizes hope, knowledge, and gratitude, all the things that help our senior to survive till here.
We request Deepak Poswal, Daksh Jain, Aarti Meena, along with our dignitaries, respected sister principal, and our teachers of class 11 for lamp lighting ceremony.
क्या हुआ बेटा?
Ramp walk and self-introduction. Megha Gujjar from class 12 of science stream from biology. Megha Gujjar, aka Miss Problem Solver. Yes, Akanta said I am the game leader. Good morning everyone, myself Nandini Seni from class 12 science math stream. Today it's a long journey I have given to this school. From nursery to 12th class, approx 15 years this school given me everything. Studies and discipline, everything. Thank you so much. Nandini Seni, aka Bookworm. Thank you. Hi, I am Niyati Basu from class 12 and from biology. Thank you. Niyati, aka Miss Pro Gamer. Good morning everyone. Myself Priya Kasana, class 12 biology. Thank you. Priya, aka class skipper. Reshma Kumari, aka the sleepy head.
Good morning everyone, myself Sakshi Fulwani. I am from 12th Science and I have spent almost 15 years in this school. I have a lot of memories. I would like to thank Sister Principal, all the teaching staff and class 11 students for giving us this memorable farewell. Thank you so much.
Sakshi Bulwani, aka Miss Dolly.
Good morning everyone. I am Sandhya from Science Bio stream and I have spent 12 years in this school. Thank you.
Sandhya, aka Coffee Enthusiast.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rashi Badaya from class 12 Commerce. Today we all are here with mixed emotions. Excitement of a new journey, sorrow of leaving a chapter behind. So thank you everyone for giving me these amazing 2 years because I'm only here for 2 years. So thank you
Hello everyone, myself Anushka Kanoria. I am from class 12 Humanities. This school gave me so many memories and lessons. I will always remember this place. Thank you.
Anushka Kanoria, aka Miss Girly Boy.
Good morning to one and all. I am Himanshi Meena from class 12 C. Thank you.
Himanshi Meena, aka Miss Chatterbox.
Good morning everyone, myself Anshul Rajput from class 12C from History Arts. Thank you.
Chanchal, aka Miss Photogenic.
Good morning everyone, myself is Sneha from class 12C and it's really hard to believe that we are getting our school getting this old. And I would like to thank our teachers, my guardians and my friends to make this journey a memorable. Thank you.
Sneha, aka Miss Star.
Hello everyone, myself Kiran Gujar from class 12 Humanities. Thank you.
Virat Kumar, aka Miss Sweetie.
Call Aman, Meena, Ankit, Chinmay, Chitransh, Deepak Poswal, Jatin to come on the stage.
Hello everyone, my name is Jatin Kumar and I am from class 12 Science.
Jatin, aka Mr. Dramatic.
I am Deepak Kumar Meena.
Good morning everyone. Today I am very glad to introduce myself to you. My name is Chitransh Minro from class 12A. I am 17 years old. My hobbies are to draw sketches and listen to music, and my aim to become a very successful person in my life. That's all about me. Thank you.
Chitransh, aka Mr. Lazy.
Hello everyone, myself Chinmay Jaiswal. I am from 12 Science Math stream and it's been a long journey of 15 years and I thank this SMS family for this wonderful journey. Thank you.
Chinmay, aka Mr. Ramanujan.
Good morning everyone, myself Ankit Bagla from Science stream.
Ankit, aka Mean Lord. Now I request Jigar, Karthik, Mohit, Namit, Nikhil to please come on the stage.
Myself Nikhil from Science stream.
Myself Sigar Singh Rajput from class 12 Science.
Hello everyone. I am Amit Khandelwal from class 12 Science Math. A
Namit,
short 2-year experience I have in this school. Firstly, I extend my deepest thanks to respected Sister Principal principal. Thank you, sister, for your visionary leadership and providing with us an environment where we could thrive academically and personally. Your discipline and encouragement also guiding our life. Also, a special thanks to my teacher, but a mentor who believed in me when I doubted myself. Thank you.
Namit, aka Mr. Charming. Now I request Nikhil, Priyanshu Chaturvedi, Priyanshu Saini, Saurabh, Shubham, Tanish, Vivek and Yuvraj to please come on the stage.
Good morning everyone, myself Priyanshu Chaturvedi, I am from Science Stream.
Priyanshu, aka the Quiet Tone.
Good morning everyone, I am Tanish Kumar Sharma from class 12 Science.
Tanish, aka Mr. Spiritual.
Good morning everyone, I am Vivek Sharma from class 12 Science Math, and my hobbies are writing some little bit poetry and playing cricket.
Vivek,
And Jai Shri Ram guys.
Vivek,
Good morning
aka
everyone. My name is Yuvraj and I am from class 12 Science Stream. And I especially giving thanks to Sister Principal.
Pankaj, Shubham and Varun to please come on the stage.
Hello everyone, myself Shubham Saini from class 12 Commerce.
Shubham, aka Mr. Latecomer.
Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Nagar and I am from Commerce Stream.
Kunal, aka Mr. Excuses.
हेलो माय नेम इज पंकज गुजर. ऐसे कुछ भी कहो, स्कूल में रूल्स तो बहुत ज्यादा है लेकिन है जोरदार है स्कूल.
Pankaj, aka the Desi Chora.
Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Krish Sharma from class 12 B Commerce. In this past year, there have been more than just academic knowledge. There have been memories, lessons, moments, and friendships. I am grateful to our teachers for their guidance and my friends to make this journey unforgettable. As we step into a new chapter, we will take a piece of this place as a memory with us. Thank you everyone.
Krish, aka Mr. Introvert.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavya Vijay from class 12 stream.
Kavya, aka Mr. Bookworm.
Hello everyone. कॉमर्स। वैसे तो 4 साल ही बिताए स्कूल में, लेकिन जो बिताए बहुत मजा आया। फुल सब फन करा, सब मजा।
Daksh, aka the most wanted Munda.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek.
Abhishek aka Mr. Animal.
Myself Abhishek Singh from class 12C Arts.
Abhishek aka Mr. All-Rounder.
Myself Dharmendra Kumar Sharma from class 12C Arts.
Dharmen aka Mr. Trendy.
A very good morning to all present here. First of all, I would like to thank Sister Principal, all my dear teachers and all my 11th students for conducting this beautiful farewell for us. Today I am very happy, at same time very emotional to say goodbye to my SBS family. Today I have completed my 15 years in this institution. Thank you all for being supportive and humble for me in this journey. Thank you.
Hemant aka Mr. Humble.
Myself Nihal Robert D'Souza from class 12C Arts. Thank you.
Nihal aka Gym Rat.
Myself was from class 12C.
Vansh aka Mr. Pookie.
अरे रोम रोम ये, अरे रोम रोम, हाँ, विनय,
Vinay aka Mr. Rufin.
Myself Vishal from class 12C Arts.
Vishal aka Mr. Football.
You are not ready for this.
Guys, dance with me and dance music. Make a group of 3.
10 seconds, hurry up.
Sorry guys, you are eliminated. Guys, please dance really well. We will everything you know. winner of our Squid Game. Guys, please give them a huge round of applause.
confident. Get ready to tap your feet and feel. Let's put our hands together for our amazing singing students to take the stage.
देखो अब आई बस सोच कर बस सोच कर यही बस सोच कर यही बस सोच कर सारी यही सोच कर आग बढ़े बजाई अब नहीं
and Miss Francis. Mr. and Mrs. Francis. So I request everyone to pick a slip from the bowl, and you guys, please don't open it until we say to you. Please open the slip. Oh, you have to dance. And we will play the dance. That was really energetic performance. Now I invite Bhavna Didi. इश्क़ की शादियाँ रंग जाऊँ रंग रंग जाऊँ रे हारी मैं तुझ बिन मैं झर 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 जाऊँ हारी. Let's clap for love.
Which is very close to my heart, and I used to listen this all of my childhood, all the time, is the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This was the most nostalgic poem, and the poem is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you so much.
Overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome today. Blessings, this is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops from the are falling, but for the showers we plead, but for the showers we plead.
Ready, ready.
रुको जरा, सब्र करो।
चाहेंगे तो हम रोज आकर आपके पास क्लास जाएंगे, 1 घंटा सुबह 1 घंटा शाम, लेकिन अभी तो जाना था यार।
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।
Morning to everyone present here. Every ending has a story behind it. But today we are here to reveal a story filled with friendships, growth, and unforgettable moments. Today is one of those days that feels unreal. A day we knew would come, but we never prepared our hearts for that. The classrooms you filled, the benches you cleared, the corner that became your favorite spots, they all hold pieces of you now.
That word can't capture alone. Let's watch the video messages.
Now I would like to invite Vishakha ma'am for further proceedings.
Good afternoon for everyone. This side Dr. Vishakha and I am welcoming you all in Sayonara, the St. Francis School's Farewell Party 2025-26. Sayonara. Sayonara means a gentle acknowledgement that every departure holds the promise of return. It means kabhi alvida na kehna. Don't get afraid, I am not going to say any speech. I am here to conduct the last round for selection Mr. and Miss St. Francis. So, before conducting this round, I just want to say this, that you all are looking so beautiful and so handsome. Obviously, the girls are looking so beautiful and boys are looking so handsome today. And you all deserve the same. You all deserve to be Mr. and Miss Francis. But as the tradition is, we have to select someone. So that's why this I have to proceed. Without no further delays, let's move forward. And firstly, I would like to announce the code numbers, the winners for round second. So, I am announcing the names, and please, who are selected, come up on this stage. First is, any guesses you have? Diva? Diva Chalani. Okay, so please, Diva Chalani, come up on this stage. Okay. Congratulations to all, and I am welcoming to you all for this last round to selection of Mr. and Miss Francis. So, before starting this, firstly, the audience, please put your hands together for these all participants. They have to themselves, but they all are there, I think. So, firstly, I want to say the rules for this round. The simple rules we have. I simply asking one question, and that question will be same for all. And you have to answer one by one. Of mind, your confidence, and how is your personality you are sharing. So, be careful and confident and choose your answer very wisely. But little quickly, because you have only 30 to 60 seconds to answer. Are you all ready? Audience ready? And participants are ready? Ready or not? The first question is, give any three words to describe yourself. Only words you have to say.
First of all, I get the code Mr. Easy, and second one,
And Miss Cham,
Firstly, as my code name suggests, jolly, decisive, and enthusiastic.
Okay, that was nice. Now the second question is for Sakshi. What changes would you like to bring? What changes would you like to bring if you will become Prime Minister for the country? Within one day, what the changes you wanted to do in a day if you become Prime Minister for the country?
The decision, obviously, it is not implementable in one day, but my decisions would be, or my suggestions would be, firstly, I would like to focus on education. The education people which are not getting, the poor people who struggle for education because of lack of money.
Only one thing you have to say. One thing that you choose.
Education mainly.
The same question you have to answer. Only one thing that you want to change in our country if you be a Prime Minister for it.
women safety.
I'll change the education system. I'll give some reservations to those community of our society which generally don't have it and need it, which are transgenders for sure.
decreasing the payments and fees demanded by the judges and lawyers because poor people are not able to afford them and they are afraid to move court. Thank you.
Increase expenditure in health.
First of all, I will reduce poverty.
Poverty. Okay, that was nice. The next question is for Hemant. I will starting from Hemant because each one has to take first chance. Okay. So, what is the most important lesson that you have learned in school life so far? From this school, you have learned most important lesson that you have learned.
Respecting teachers because teachers are not only our teachers but they are our real mentors and friends. Their friendly nature make me confident enough to explore the world. Thank you.
That was truly amazing. Please.
I learned how to make a family with the strangers. You are not known for me when I come to this school, but now you all are my family. And I think that's the part I learned.
That was so good.
I think just believe in yourself. If we will believe in ourselves, then we can do anything we want.
Sakshi.
This school has a lot of things to learn. The teachers here are so calm, so patient. I have learned so many things, and if I have to choose one, that is the ability to handle any situation with calmness and being very patient about that. Not in a hurry, not in any hurry situation. They handle everything very nicely, peacefully, and so encouragingly.
Okay. Pass mic to Dash. Please answer the same.
डिसिप्लिन मैंने सीखा सबकी रेस्पेक्ट करना, छोटा बड़ा सबकी रेस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए.
Keep trying, keep going, and be confident.
Okay, that was good. Now the next question is for pass that. If you could design a new subject to be taught in a school, what would it be? A new subject that you can design and that should be taught in the school.
Teach the students who are weak but in still manner.
Subject. I'm asking for subject. This is an activity that we can teach.
Confidence level.
Confidence level. How to improve your confidence level is a subject. Pass that mic.
The subject I think that should be implemented on this school is teaching poetry. Poetry classes are very important as a focus on literature, the English skills and various vocabularies. So poetry classes would be my recommended subject for this school.
That was truly inspiring. Now, Diva.
I think cooking classes should be there. I don't matter if it's boys or girls. They should know how to cook. I know most of the boys which are sitting here don't know how to cook. So they learn that how to cook.
We already have this subject home science. Already this subject at home science. You can easily learn how to cook.
Spirituality because it is the subject that makes us a real good person in our life.
सिविक सेंस, अपन को किसके साथ कैसा बिहेव करना है ये सब भी बताना चाहिए.
According to me, I think psychology classes will be there because sometimes many students need that type of classes from class 11.
Very clear and impactful. Now, full app. इसका नंबर नहीं आया पहले. Take this one. According to you, what is more important, being powerful or being rich?
Powerful.
Reason.
Powerful ये तो पैसे तो अपने आप कमा लेंगे भाई.
Okay,
next.
Next, pass the same question you have to answer, which is more important, being powerful or being rich, and reason.
Being rich because power comes with money.
You are powerful. Everybody will listen to you.
I also think same. If you are rich, you have power.
There's a reason you have to be. And the change is you have to be. You can't copy the reason. Another reason you have
If we have money, we can have power also. Respect
second reason you are giving. And other reason that you think about.
I think that that's why rich only have power. Rich persons can have power.
Okay, pass your mic to them.
My decision would be contradictory. Being powerful is, in my opinion, is more important than being rich, because richness is not actually a very comparable fact. Power is a very important thing than richness.
Okay, pass this mic to Amrit.
According to me, I think powerful person should be there because if you are powerful, you can do anything you want, and obviously money comes automatically when you are powerful. We can say in our school system, principal is powerful. He can control every
I know this is the contradictory and all the answers. I like the answer that being powerful is more important than being rich. Yes. And finally, the last question. Who left? Think wisely. Did this answer matters? This is the time that we are going to decide who will be our Mr. and Miss Francis for this event. If you are a drop of water, then where you prefer to fall?
Well, if I was a drop of water, I prefer to fall in a farm of a farmer, because life starts from there. Plants grows, we eat them, and that's why we live. So there is more importance of water in the field than any other place.
Can one drop of water make any sense in farm? One drop of water can make any sense in farm?
See, it's a very nice thing that someone says that a drop of water makes the river. So
बूंद बूंद से खड़ा बन.
बूंद बूंद से खड़ा बन.
I think a drop of water. If I will a drop of water, I will fall in garden to enhance the beauty of nature, flowers, to write our nature.
Sakshi,
If I would be a drop of water, obviously a drop of water would not have much effect, but if I would be a drop of water, I would fall in a glass which idiomatically the meaning which has half full, half empty. To the person who actually considers that glass to be half full, half empty, I would like to fall in that glass so that one would actually see the glass half full and have some motivation to do something in life and not considering the emptiness of the glass. So my answer would be glass half empty, half full.
please pass this mic to boys.
I would like to fall in the Sri Charan of my Prabhunath because he was the source of all universe. All the farmers, trusty persons are accommodated in him. So he was the Almighty. Thank you.
In the mouth of the trusty person, क्योंकि वो बेचारा
According to me, if I were a drop of water, I will fall on a river because every natural thing of water is made by river, ponds, lakes, and farmers use water from river in their farms, and
Thank you to you all, and
First we will go student of the year. Any guess? No. Any guess anybody is having? Hemant, you are correct. Hemant is the star of the year, student of the year. Not 1 year, nursery to 12. Please come on the stage. Miss Francis, any idea? Sakshi Fulwani, you are correct. Please come on the stage. Mr. Francis Chitransh, you are correct. No boys, some are feeling sleepy. Someone told I am feeling sleepy, so I told we will finish fast. So dear students, judges are doing the judging. So don't worry that you did not get the prize today. So we have given trophy to all. You all are good students and we love you all. So don't worry that sometime we means whenever you are doing the mistake, teachers and myself, we are scolding you. It may be hurting for you, but later you will recognize why we scolded you. Even morning I scolded 3-4 students. You should recognize that I will not repeat the mistake again. If you are repeating means you did not learn anything from the school. Abhishek? So children, you don't worry that his sister is scolding, always she is very strict. I want when you go out, when you get the result, others should not find that you got the good marks by your values, discipline and respect. They should know that you have learned something from St. Francis School. It's not the matter that you are getting less marks, but your values is the matter. Even saying, ma'am was asking the question, rich or power? Rich will come and go, but your power will not be taken by anyone. So if you are having power, you can earn the money. So dear students, don't become very small that you did not get any award. You all are getting the award from the school. So be respectful to your teachers and do your exam very well by seeing your marks and what you will become. We will come to know what you learned from the school. So special thanks to Akash sir, Chauhan sir and Soni sir. They are the 12th class teachers. They also got scolding because of you. Because you are not keeping discipline, they used to get. So dear students, in your life, keep the discipline. Everything will come behind you. I trust in this. When you are respecting others, you are respecting God. So dear students, respect your parents, teachers and your school. You will get success in your life. So all the best for your exams and may God bless you. Thank you.
Today is the mixed day of emotions. It is a joyful day for our 12th class students. These are starting a new day in their life. But it is also a sad day because we have to say goodbye to the students who have become important to us. Students, remember the time when we scolded you? gave you extra work, punished you for being late or not doing your homework. But student, I want to share something more important from my bottom, that every scolding and every punishment was meant to help you, not to hurt you. We wanted to make you perfect and prepare for your real work. Student, this school is not just a building. It is your second home. And that time, you may thought that we were unfair. But my dear student, your teachers were not just instructors. We are your supporters and guides. No matter where the lives take you, always remember this place, the people who helped you, and the friends who always stood by you. My dear students, go out, make us proud, and it's time to say goodbye. I wish you will get all the success in your life, और at last from my bottom heart, आपके साथ कुछ लम्हे, कई यादें बतौर इनाम मिले। आपके साथ कुछ लम्हे, कई यादें बतौर इनाम मिले। सब एक राह पर निकले और तजुर्बे तमाम मिले। गुड बाय।
We now invite Nandini Seri to present the vote of thanks and acknowledge everyone who contributed to making today's event successful.
Good afternoon to respected Assistant Principal, working teachers and all my dear friends. On behalf of my bench, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all who made this favor so special. Thank you to respected Assistant Principal and teachers for guiding us, supporting us and shaping our futures. Your lessons will always stay with us. A big thank you to our juniors. You organized such a beautiful farewell. Your efforts, performance and love means a lot to us. We all are gathered here. We are also grateful to our parents and school staff who always support us behind the scenes. Lastly, thank you to my dear friends for the unforgettable memories we created together. This school will always hold a special place in our hearts. Thank you.
And give their 100% for their education and other activities. Thank you so much. I'm so glad. Thank you for choosing me.
I am very happy and some little sad because of I think this is my last day with my friends in group and friend circle. After this day, we will never met, and my happiness is at peak level after I became Mr. Francis. That's all.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, I am very happy to receive the Student of the Year award. I would like to thank Sister Principal and all my dear teachers who teaches me from nursery to till 12th. I am very emotional at the same time to say goodbye to you all, and it is very hard moment to leave this school. This is my second family, SMS family, and I am very lucky that I got the chance to become the member of this family. Thank you everyone.
Saregama Karma, the perfect gift.